Cupcakes don't always have to be eaten right away. Whether they're frosted or not, you can freeze them and save them for later. To freeze unfrosted cupcakes, first let them cool completely, then place them into an airtight storage container. If you do not have a container, you can also use airtight freezer bags. If your cupcakes are already frosted, that's not a problem. Just place the frosted cupcakes into an airtight container and then place them in the freezer with the lid off. Freeze them long enough for the frosting to set, about 3 to 4 hours. Then place the lid on the container and freeze until they are ready to be eaten. If you do not have a container, you can freeze the cupcake for 3 to 4 hours, then wrap it in foil and store it in the freezer. If you're using foil, make sure not to let it touch the frosting when you are wrapping them. To defrost your cupcakes, remove them from the freezer and let them sit at room temperature for an hour. Then, remove the lid and let them thaw until they are fully defrosted.